Today I'm going to show you how to install these sawtooth hangers without busting your fingers. If you're like me, you got big fingers and they've got little bitty nails here. So let me show you a trick. Okay, what you're going to need a tape measure, your sawtooth hangers, some blue painter's tape or just masking tape, and a hammer. First thing we need to do is measure our sign here, and what I want to do is find the center Okay, this is the center mark for it. From that center mark, since this sign is over 24 inches long, I want to put 2 hangers on it. And most studs in a wall are 16-inch centers. So what I need to do is I want to put it on the 10-inch mark here. But we're going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make us a mark. I'm going to do the same thing over here. So if we count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's our marks that way. Now we need to know how far down, and let's make these about 1.5 inches. Do that same thing for the other side here. This is the little sawtooth hanger that we're going to install, and here is the little bitty tiny nails. Now it's kind of hard to hold that nail and hammer it, so let me show you this trick. First of all, most of these hangers has a mark in the center here, so line it up to your mark. And we're going to take some painter's tape, masking tape, whatever you got on hand. Once you got it where you want it, put your piece of tape on it. This will hold the hanger in place while we nail. Now take another piece of tape and fold it over just like that right there. Now take your little nail and stick it through there. Stick it like that right there. Now we can hold it down here, and you ain't gonna hit your fingers. Once you get finished, just jerk it. Well, I hope this helps somebody, and as always, thanks for watching, guys.